Happy Sunday! I'm using the Google Swag tote bag. Guys, this is the tote bag that Ma'am Jory sent me weeks ago na nabuksan ko kahapon, and I'm using it right now. So, first time ko siyang gagamitin. Actually, I took photo yesterday. It's really nice. Tingnan nyo. Pangmasa ba na bag? May list si Daddy pala ng bibilhin. Tingnan niyo, may list siya, guys. Hindi ko naintindihan yung mga nilalagay niya dito, but yes, meron po siyang lista na kanyang mabibilhin today. And I'm like, meron akong inisip. I have to meet up with a girl I talked to, by the way, in Instagram. Like the girl who's from, nakalimutan ko na kung taga saan siya, but I think she's from Manila, somewhere in Luzon. And she wrote me on Instagram and says to me like, Jenny, I'll be going to Texas, close to you, A&M. She will be studying in A&M University, so that's a college. Parang nag-move yung ating camera. Best Buy pala kami, guys. Best Buy. Meron daw siya nakitang laptop na mura. Kasi naka-sale. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sila. Ala, I think we got here before. Can't remember. Where is it?
Well, I don't know.
These are all Microsoft. Oh, wow, it's so cute. This one? This is so cute. Hello. Look how very small, tiny. Good for travel. Kasi yung laptop ko malaki, wow, para sa akin. Para kay Nicole pala. Are you gonna buy Nicole laptop for her school? This is so nice. Snapdragon. Very nice laptop. Pero yung price niya, ouch. 2,000. This one is really nice. Small. But it's a like tablet with a keyboard. It's too small for school. Hindi ko alam. May nakita kasi siya na naka-sale. So, let's see. Ito, mura lang itong mga laptops dito. Mura lang siya. O, tingnan niyo yung price niya. Compared niyo yun sa Philippines. Mahal yung laptop sa Philippines. But here, 299. This one, 299 also. Maganda to, guys, pang kids. Ito, bumili ng laptop, guys. Bumili nga talaga siya ng laptop. Bumili ng laptop. Binilhan yung mga bata. Dalawa pa. Akala ko isa lang yung bibili niya.
I want to know where my S pen is.
Where did you put it? Oh, this one. I think this one. This laptop can use pen, babe. Here, babe. Oh, babe. Here, oh. I think this laptop
That's too
can.
much.
Is it?
That was too much too.
Is it too much? How much is it? $799. This one, wala my price. Just following, sir. Hindi ko alam saan to pupunta, guys. Lagi pa naman tong ng drone, pero ang expensive ng drone. Mahal ng drone, guys. Yung drone na natapon or na sa tubig ay natatakot na akong bumili ng drone kasi masasayang lang. Uy, careful, babe. Nag-haul na si Daddy. Tingnan nyo, dalawa yung binili. Ay, nako. Sabi niya, advance na daw yung Christmas gift for the kids. So, good luck na lang sa atin. Naka-sale sila, which is really nice. Like, yung price niya talaga mahal siya, but then naka-sale sila like, I think 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. Sobrang na talaga siya, Best Buy. Kaya nga tinawag siyang Best Buy. Best Buy talaga. Hindi ko pala mamimit yung girl kasi sabi ni Daddy, focus kami sa mga gagawin dapat today. Kailangan namin i-finish yung paperwork. Ouch. Kailangan i-finish namin yung paperwork, guys. And then we still have one stopover na store. What?
You could just walk down there.
Where is it?
I'm looking at it. It's right next door to Barnes and Noble.
That one? Yeah.
The one that says office.
Yeah, we can walk. Our laptop will be fine here, right? Well, not these.
I'm not gonna be in there very long.
Okay. I'm worried that that laptop will baka it's hard. Grabe yung init dito, guys. Malapit lang yung pupuntahan namin na Home Depot. Like, walk away lang siya. But we moved kasi nasa car na kami. Sabi niya, andyan lang pala. Anyway, we're getting in. We're going to get all the papers that we need. Stuff that we need. Hello. Ayan. We've been here before or no? Not been. Or it was a different store. Hindi sila busy. I think we've been here before.
I just said we.
Kasi naalala ko tong area na tong mga Tingnan niyo yung mga, nakita ko ito. Hala, gusto yan ni Ashley. But then, yeah, we end up buying school supplies at Walmart. But anyway, we are in Office Depot. He had a list what to get, guys. So, what we're going to get here is like, para lang yan sa mga need namin for our paperworks. I think you need to get a pen. Kaya naubos na yung pen mo. His pen. You have a pen, but you get frustrated because some of the pen doesn't work. So I think you need to get.
You took my G2
Ay.
punishment and you put it in a non-G2 pen.
Pasanginan ko niya. You know what happened?
I put the new one.
Yeah, I was looking for that body of your G2. I couldn't find. So I was like, okay. And I don't want to throw it. Just because walang body. Nag-iipon ng mga ballpen na hindi gumagana. Kasi sabi niya, magre-refill lang ako. Hindi naman ni-refill. Ay, tinapon ko, guys. Nagalit. Diba? One of the things, I'm telling you, we are not a perfect couple. We had some misunderstanding sometimes. Ito yung one of the misunderstanding dahil lang sa ballpen. We never had? Okay, we never had misunderstanding.
Yeah.
He's a perfect guy. See, I'm telling you.
We don't have a perfect relationship.
Ano
You
naman
know,
kunin
I
mo,
was
daddy?
thinking it was perfect, and then you're like, no, it's terrible.
Oh, yeah. That's really something that I didn't say. A terrible word. Never said that even. What are we getting here? Envelope? Ay, this one, babe. This is what I saw of a girl. She's putting all the papers in yellow thing.
Yeah, but we don't need
A lot.
that
Yeah.
many.
We need 3 only. 3 pieces of these.
I'm not sure we can buy it in a smaller quantity.
Yeah, we need just 3 pieces lang naman yung kailangan namin, guys. Maybe here, it's open, no? Kasi dito parang bulky sila ba? Hindi sila pare sa Pinas na pwede tayo bumili ng tingi-tingi. Stopping by here at the post office, guys, hoping that our Texas ID card, my Texas ID card is there already. It's been 5 weeks. 5 weeks, mag-run 6 weeks na, hindi pa rin dumating. And then, the guy says 4 weeks lang. Andito na sa dapat. Sibilyo pumasok. I'm just waiting here. By the way, we went to Office Depot, right? So, wala kaming nabili doon because Belle says na wala doon yung hinahanap niya. We're going to Walmart. And then, I think Walmart has everything. So, let's see. Wala. Nothing. Zero. Walmart na kami, guys. And then, basta siya lang yung nakakaalam ng list na kailangan namin. Ako, sunod-sunuran lang ako dito. Something like this one. This is $1 only. Kailangan namin yung post-it kasi I think this is the one. No. This one? Shipping money. Uy, we need yung parang nako-close na
You're looking
yellow.
outside for it.
Oh, that one is for like parcel. Yeah, that one, baby. Yeah, this one. This will fit. How many? Yeah, that one.
Yeah, this is
I think
9 by 12. and
Okay.
What we're sending is
That's perfect. We are home. Tingnan natin kung ano yung reaction ng kids when they got this laptop, guys. Daddy was really like, hey. Imagine.
give me the key.
Kali, you're not going out. Home. We are home. Nabili na namin yung kailangan namin, guys. Tatapusin na namin yung aming paperwork today. And yung kids na sa room. You guys ready? Dungan mo, ate.
Yeah.
Come on, I'm so excited. Come on. I suppose I would have
They probably won't like it. We'll just take it back.
Oh, what's that? Go there. Mukha mo.
Wait, that's an
Ah, ang sali na. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Wala, no, hindi lang.
Hindi ko believe.
Daddy, of course.
Thank you.
Wala pa kayo ma-open? You don't have to open. You have to careful opening this. I think we need ano. What do you think? You have these? Huh? What do you think you have these? Careful ha, careful with the cartoon na. Anak lang, careful. Wait, let me do it.
Gonna tell me I had a package.
Oh yeah, that's the, sorry.
You already.
Naku, kay ngisi si Hershey! What is that? Ano yan?
I think you have some.
Careful? Huh? Be careful. Be careful. Oh my gosh. Si Daddy nag-buy ana. Sa ingon ni Daddy.
Thank you.
Si
They're so expensive.
This girl is so expensive. It's not charged. I think you have to charge it. I don't know. Are you guys happy?
Wala na po siya extra mouse.
There's extra?
Extra
It came with a
mouse.
mouse.
But that's not wireless.
Of course, yeah.
Ah, guys.
That's one's smart.
See? That's how Daddy loves you so much. He's thinking about your school. Sana all. Ako, Daddy. How about me? Joke. Daddy, you're not a kid anymore. You're not a student. This is for student. First laptop ever that you're gonna own. And Ate Nicole's first laptop that she's gonna own. Are you happy, Nicole? You can use it for school, and Ashley too. But Daddy has something policy. Policy? We talked about this earlier when we were in the car.
You can't put any apps on this.
You cannot put games. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
You cannot. That's for school only.
Ito man nakita na ko sa phone. Wala siya katong laptop sa mga school.
This is fine for school, but it's not good for games.
You guys are so lucky. Okay, thank you, babe. Well, I said thank you to Daddy already, but thank you so much. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. I'm not expecting. That's the first laptop for the kids. Hala, sana all. Careful, ha? You have to be very careful. Good talaga to si Daddy kasi iniisip yung school ng mga kids talaga all the time. He's more hands-on than I am. And I'm so, like, yeah. He's very hands-on. Full charge dapat and then yay! Sana all! Walmart pala guys, hindi lang yung kailangan namin sa office. Bumili kami sa Walmart ng dinnerware set. Kasi meron kami dito, actually merong 4 na set already. But then, there are really times na naubusan kami ng plato. Like, kasi yung plato dito guys, ito pa yung ginamit ng siya lang alone. Well, nung wala pa kami ba. And then, nung dumating kami, of course, we need plates. And what I always do kasi pag like when it comes to washing dishes, I always do it once in a day lang. Like every evening after we ate dinner. So yung mga plato, para isang isang wash lang. Yung mga plato nagkakaubusan, minsan naubusan. So sabi ko, bili tayo ng set. Oy, hala, upat lang, hindi ka buo. Ano dito siya, upat. So ito yung 4 salad plates, 4 bowls. Dinner plates. 4. Apatan sila. Puti yung kinuha namin kasi same din ang plate na meron kami dito. Para di tayo mag iba-iba ng iba-iba ng kulay. I don't like also na I don't like a plate na anong tawag nito, iba-iba yung kulay or my details. I would rather have something na neutral color, white much better. Kasi gamit mo siya, I mean, very neat tingnan pag white yung gamit sa sa bahay. Or like when it comes to plate, very neat siya tingnan. Mura lang to guys. I think I got this for like $11. And this is made of porcelain. Porcelain man kasagaran, ano, diba? Hindi siya yung Porcelain. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako marunong mag-explain. Porcelain ka ba? Tingnan natin to, Bi. Ay! Oh! Yan. Okay. At least, di na kami mag-ano ba? Ay! At least, di ba, di na kami ay, kulang tayo ng plates. Yes, perfect. Ito lang. Same talaga siya. Same na same. It's the same. Ah, anong dagduha mo? Tapos duha.
I told you it was the same.
Ah! It's nice. It's nice, babe. See, white. What are you looking?
Look for a hammer.
Hammer? Maybe it's in the box. Yay! So, same din yung bowl. So, meron kami 8 bowl. 8 na yung aming bowl here. At least ba, di na kami maubusan. Oh. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Very nice. Here's apat. I-wash muna natin to kasi yung amoy. And then yung last na. Sobrang happy ng kids, by the way. Nagkaroon sila ng sariling laptop. Yung mukha ni Nicole, like, yay! Got my own! Di na ako manghihiram kay mama. Diba yung mukha nila? But we set rules na that laptop is only for school talaga. So whatever they need, if they need to research, you need to write something for school, yun, gagamitin nila. Yung sabi ko sa inyo a lot of people are questioning my choice. Like, ay, bakit yan yung pinipili mo? See, kita-kita nyo naman guys kung gaano ka hands-on talaga si Belle when it comes to my kids, their school, at home. See, ayaw lang niya talaga nagpapa-vlog, but he is more hands-on. Especially when it comes to school, pag may problema talaga ay pupuntahan agad-agad. Walang like, mamaya na yan. No, he's not like that type of person na puntahan natin. Ganun po siya. Like, hindi ko yan na-share sa vlog, but yeah, he is like that type of person. And we are so very blessed, lucky, na siya talaga yung tao na I was dreaming and praying for a long time. See? Sa mga naghahanap ng mga love dyan, wait patiently. Dadating talaga yung tamang tao para sa inyo, guys. So, perfect. Meron na tayong plato. Hugasan ko na lang dito. Wait, hindi naman to marumi. We just need to like wash it and dry. Tatapusin ko mamaya yung door natin, guys. Ipi-flip ko lang siya and then isasan ko yung kabilang side and then paint ng white para by evening later we will like install it back. Kasi gagamitin ni Belle yung living area namin for his training naman with his student on Monday. So yung space dyan, dapat wala na kaming mga door. Kasi nilagay ko yung door doon, diba? Sa living area. So dapat wala na yan kasi mag-work na sila, mag-training sila tomorrow. Ang init sa labas, my goodness. So tumitingin kami kanina ng refrigerator. What's funny about it is nakakainis, akala ko nagfi-film yung camera natin pero naka-photo pala siya na setting. So picture yung mga nakuha, guys. Anyway, yeah, tumitingin kami ng refrigerator kasi one of these days we're gonna replace this one kasi old refrigerator na siya. Well, actually it's a nice refrigerator. Yun lang namin kasi kailangan namin ng big space ng freezer ba. Kasi pag nag-grocery ito ay kulang-kulang yung freezer namin. Minsan nalagay namin sa baba. But we really needed a big freezer for meat and stuffs. So tumitingin-tingin kami doon and then we found some good deals. Hindi ko lang na-film talaga. Nag-film ako suppose pero yun nga, picture pala yun. Dito guys kasi kaya ang dami talagang Pinay na nagpupunta sa dump. Ano ba tawag ng dump? Sa mga trash ba na naghahanap ng mga stuffs pa na magagamit kasi dito sila yung klaseng tao na pag like a little ano lang, sige tatapon na natin yan, bili tayong bago. Yun. Kasi pag nasa Pinas lang ako, itong refrigerator na to, tapos bibili kami bago, ay gusto ko ibigay sa nanay ko guys. Kasi malaki siya na refrigerator eh. Yung mga karate thing. Kung nagtataka kayo kung sino yan, Masuyama. I think kilala nyo yan guys. Masuyama. The founder of karate.
Kyokushin Karate.
Kyokushin Karate. Oh, diba? Yan yung kanilang iniidolo when it comes to Kyokushin Karate, guys. Yan, tapusin natin to. Sabi ng manual pala, guys, kailangan i-charge muna yung laptop 3 hours maximum before gagamitin. So, hayaan muna natin siyang mag-charge. And then yung laptop ni Ashley andun sa kabila. Maganda to kasi Chromebook pala siya. Yan, oh, Chromebook. Ang ganda niya, very sleek. Hindi siya yung mabigat na laptop. Well, pang school talaga. Ano ba tawag nito? Yung aking laptop kasi malaki yun. Ito, hindi ko alam kung anong dimension ito, guys. Pero, maliit siya. But then, Type-C yung kanyang charger. O, diba? Bumili din kami ng extra na, ang tawag nito, may wireless na mouse, na Bluetooth lang ba para kahit malayo siya, nagagamit pa rin yung. Pero, meron pala siyang, meron na siyang kasamang mouse, pero meron siyang wire. But yeah, ay, naku, sana all na kayo ng mga bata anyway. Ang ganda nito. Tapos mahaba yung kanyang charger. Diba? Mahaba yung charger, which is good.